Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we'll be talking about New York University. So, we are making this video for those students who want to pursue university outside India, overseas, abroad, or whichever term you want to use. So, these are for those students who want to go specifically to US or who are still exploring which university and where should they go. So this is one of the famous and one of the best university, New York University in USA. Indian This university is preferred by students, Indian students, like, of course we are making it through the point of view of Indian students who want to go abroad. So this university is preferred by Indian students. Many of our seniors may have graduated from here. So we are going to tell you about this university in this video. So before proceeding, I want to tell you, I would suggest you rather that please subscribe to this channel, because this channel is going to help you a lot, because this channel is provide you every update and detail about not only overseas university but also about all the Indian comparative examination update and notifications. So thank you. Let's start the video. So as you can see, this is the official website of NYU. So the official link, if you want to visit to the website of National New York University, you can go to the description box of this video. There you'll find a link of NYU. You can redirect yourself to the official website of NYU. So as you can see, if you want to know about here, one second. Yeah. If you want to know about the university, here few blogs which are given. If you want to read, let's go to the okay. So in this section, these are some major part which are concluded, but before that we need to know about the organization of the about the university we are going to spend, we are going to spend our major moments of our life. So this is the university, the fast facts. 3 degree granting campuses in New York. Okay, this is in Dubai, but basically we are talking about right now about USA. So let's only take the New York campus into the consideration. These are the 11 global academic centers, 18 schools and colleges, 25 research program in more than 25 countries. Degree granting campuses in, okay, let's Shanghai. Okay, yeah, it's in China. Yeah. So their two campuses are in China and Dubai, except from New York one. This is the mission of the university initiative. Can read all the blogs that's given. These are some news, some latest news. As you can see, the dates are also given. If you want to contact them, if you want to know some events or feedback, or if you want to connect to, of course social media plays a very important role in our life. So if you want to visit to their social media sites, like if you want to, like, right now, just after watching this video, you're not going to apply for the university, maybe you'll search about the university a lot, about like a bit. So you can connect with them through these social media sites and know about them. So here we go to the admission section. You can, if you want to go for the undergraduate, I mean, if you are going to the university just after your 12th, you can go to the undergraduate admission sessions. If you are graduated, then you want to go, you can go to the NYU graduate admission. So along with that, if you need scholarship, because as we know, finance play a very important role when we are planning to go abroad. So if you want to need some financial aid, scholarship, loans, so you can go over here, financial aid and scholarship. You can visit over here to find all this. Along with that, this, if you want to know the tuition and fees studying abroad, let's go over here and see. Staying connected. By the end of the March, colleges and university across the country, including NYU, cancel in-person class. Okay, these are about the COVID-19 updates. Stay connected. Okay, this is some global study planner. Like we have universities which go together hand in hand to help the students. So let's see the summer session. Attend a virtual information session. If you want to attend some virtual information session to know the university, you can do that as well. Let's go to the academics part. Academic program. Let's see the programs offered by 400 across programs are offered by the university. Let's see, we need to know about the management part. Okay, so there are so many type of management. Let's see marketing one. Okay, excellence in marketing faculty, overview research faculty and staff, events, academic, job activities. So this is everything regarding marketing part. Let's go to the business one. Accelerated bachelor's, master degrees, biology and business. Here it is. Okay, so when we go to an university, not only our professional life but our personal life also matters a lot at that time, right? Because we are going to stay over there. So we can see about the university life over here. University life, travel and transportation, global inclusive and diversity, campus resources, safety, health, wellness, safety matters. So we can go over and look into it. Okay, let's see some resources provided by the campus. Student link, student resources, career development, NYU IT, dining services, care world center. Okay, university life resources, bookstore, box office center for multicultural education program. Okay, housing is also provided over there as well as dining service. International student services also provided. So everything is over there. In fact, transportation is also provided by them. So if you want to contact them, you can see, you can go to the contact us option and directly you can contact them to know about information. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Along with that, I would suggest you to subscribe this channel. As I said in beginning of the video that it would be beneficial for you only if you subscribe. So thank you. If you have any doubt, you can I would love to resolve it in the comment section. Thank you. Hope you have a nice